Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your Google notification in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off your Google notification, so as you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off Google notification in Vivo phone. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So as now let's start the video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on notifications, app setting, and guys click on guys, you can see that there is no any Google app, so guys click on this most recent, and guys you can see all apps. Guys apps, then guys find where is Google okay, oh sorry friends, I think. So as you can see guys, Google, as you can see the right side icon, so as you will have to click, then guys you can off your Google notification from here. So as you cannot see your Google notification on your phone screen. So I hope friends you have understood how to off Google notification in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.